Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
Mercedes-AMG tuning arm has been given free rein over the next generation C-Class, and the all-new 2023 C43 sports sedan is on its way. The C43 will have 2 fewer cylinders and 1 liter of engine displacement this time around, but not less power, as AMG will replace the former model's 385 horsepower, 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 with a new turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 402 horsepower. The C43 comes with a variety of performance-enhancing features, including as rear-wheel steering and adjustable dampers for the sharply tuned suspension. The inside of the C43 is identical to that of the new Benz-branded C300, only it appears to have graduated from a racing academy rather than finishing school. The majority of the dashboard is covered in carbon fiber trim, while the rest is faux leather with contrasting stitching. The C43's new heavily boosted 4-cylinder uses turbocharger technology derived from Mercedes' F1 racing team and is similar to the one found in the SL43 convertible, a model that isn't sold in the United States, but the thing we're most looking forward to sampling is the C43's new heavily boosted 4-cylinder, which uses turbocharger technology derived from Mercedes' F1 racing team and is similar to the one found in the SL43 convertible, a model that is unlike the previous model, which was powered by a 385 horsepower 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6. The 2023 C43 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-four. Not to worry, the power of this new engine is everything but downsized, with a hearty 402 horsepower and the help of a 48-volt hybrid system that can momentarily provide up to 13 additional horsepower at lower RPM. However, the hybrid assist does not increase the total power output. The turbocharger configuration of the new engine is based in part on the company's F1 racing engine technology. The turbocharger has an extra electric motor that helps the compressor spin up faster, reducing turbo lag. All-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering.
Thanks for watching.